In today's video, we show you how to properly light your shots.
If you're a cheapskate.
No, on a budget.
On a budget.
Do you need to bring that into everything we do?
I just wanted to say that I've got a Panasonic G90 that got sent to me, not to you. So if you're a cheapskate filmmaker like us, this video is just for you. How to light your videos properly for like less than 50 quid. We should have probably put a budget to it.
If you go below the video, there's a link. If you wanna, then it's...
And we get all the
big money.
Amazon affiliates.
Make it rain, AJ, make it rain. Well, we're holidaying. We'll be thinking of you.
We wanted to create a tutorial of sorts, mainly around a set of lights that I bought as a joke. The crap lights. Crappy lights.
Crappy lights. Link below.
They cost us £30 off Amazon for a set of 3 softboxes, and we thought that's perfect for you cheapskate filmmakers out there.
And us.
And us, because we're broke too.
We like the savings.
Not enough people have signed up to the Watermelon Squads to make this worthwhile yet.
Nope.
So if you've not signed up yet,
we've rebranded it. It's the Filmmakers Club now.
It's still the Watermelon
But
Squad.
you can...
Look, there's a sign and everything, like probably around here. So should we do this as like a step 1, 2? Because I can't really be bothered to move off this chair again.
Well, fortunately for you, AJ, we've already shot the B-roll part.
Oh.
So, from the comfort of our chairs, we'll show them, the viewers, exactly what we mean.
Here we have a single light setup known as the beauty light. That's right, one single softbox behind the camera to make you look more beautiful.
Notice how beautiful I do look.
It slims the face, which is obviously needed.
It's not needed.
Well, I mean, it's like a slice of watermelon now rather than a whole watermelon. And the one trick for this is have your light higher than the subject pointed down. It makes it look more natural, like the sun.
It's just how we're used to seeing it. So, tint it down slightly over the camera. Greatly lit shot.
Well, number 2 is using your single softbox to add a bit of texture to the face. You can create atmosphere with the absence of light. So get your softbox that you've got for your beauty light and move it off center slightly, maybe 30 degrees to the left or right, and you'll create this beautiful shadow on the far side of the moon, the far side of his face.
You said moon.
Did I say moon? I meant face. If the underside of his face is still a bit too dark, then use one of these equally cheapo crap reflectors.
Well, you know that it is a leading brand.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Should we say the brand?
It was.
Do you know? I don't know if you should plug it, but anyway, it's linked below if you're interested in brands, because otherwise it will get the whole hashtag ad thing going on.
Oh yeah,
It's not
and we're
an
not
ad.
big enough to be sponsored. Your head's big enough to be sponsored. Numero 3. Numero 3. It's the Godfather look, the interrogation aesthetic.
Yeah.
One single light again, still the same crappy softbox, anchored above his head straight down. You can use a C-stand if you're rich enough to own one, but the light set that you get from Amazon comes with one of these right angle stand jobbies, so you could just stick that above his head if you're feeling brave. We got a bit DIY and drilled it into the ceiling.
Yeah, and I like it for that.
Yeah, and it's great. It gives a really moody aesthetic to his face. This kind of shadow is cast all the way down. Again, if it's too dark on the underside of his face, use the reflector, place it on a flat surface like the table. Bounces a bit of light up, and then you get less of a dark side of the moon and more of like a new moon.
It's just a little bit more flattering. You could have said
Oh,
that.
yeah, that too.
Come and say hello to my little friend. The next one,
Yeah,
or number 4,
number 4. Numero 4.
numero 40. Numero 40
Yeah.
has a greater appeal again.
Okay.
Because not everyone is looking just to do their little bit of intro for YouTube like this.
Okay.
Some are going to be looking to do an unboxing video.
Oh, bit of unbox therapy.
So this one is more for them.
And it's a bit more involved. This is a 3 light setup to start with. And luckily enough, the crappy light set comes with 3 lights. So
Right, can you say crappy?
the crappy light set comes with 3 softboxes, which we're going to use all 3 of for this shot. And we're going to put 2, both slightly off center and angle, shining on our subject's face. It looks beautiful. We get a nice reflection in the eyes, a nice evenly lit face, and 1 top down to illuminate the table and to get rid of any shadows made by the front 2 lights. Looks pretty cool. It's a well lit unboxing kind of shot. Now, if you want to add a bit more mood to this,
This is where it really pops for me.
yeah, we're using a hair light. Ooh. And the hair light can be any small LED panel that you've got kicking around. We've got the Yongnu YN160, and we put the blue gel in it, and don't shine it on the subject, but we shine it on the wall to create this kind of blue vignette, which adds a nice layer of texture and separation from the background. It's actually one we use quite a lot, and despite the fact that the crap fee lights cost us 30 quid and was a joke to start with, they've actually been really, really useful, and we get a lot of use out of them.
Crap.
Fee.
That's what happens if you want to make a joke out of them, a bit of duct tape, and you can really draw emphasis.
There you go, it's top 5 now. If you want to make a joke out of your set,
Yeah.
cover up the HY. Did I tell you I've got this?
It's an outro now.
Right.
We're meant to be outroing the video. We've delivered the value.
Yeah.
Now we've just wrap it up.
Right, but I got the Panasonic G90 to play with.
Just to satisfy AJ, we're going to talk the top 3 features of his new camera.
Number 1, it can take photos. Number 2, it can capture video. And number 3, the kit lens does this.
So there you are. That is our studio lighting, how to shoot your talking head shots
On a budget.
on a budget.
Cheapskate.
I think it
It's probably like 7 to 8 minutes of...
wasn't bad, was it? You know, it's worth watching.
Yes, and talking of sticking around to the end, if you've not yet signed up to our Filmmakers Club, the Watermelon Squad,
Filmmakers Club.
do it now. Links below. You get access to our filmmaking assets and just general hilarity of our faces in a different medium. You can get our copyright-free music library, the presets that I make from the tutorials that go out every Friday, and other good things. And a good feeling inside that you've supported this fantastic institution.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, we spend it on the champagne. Touring Butlins. Anyway, on that note, if you can't wait and will miss our faces between now and Friday, tune in on our daily stories. You can watch them on Facebook and Instagram. And if that's not your thing, well, we'll just see you on Friday for be a tutorial, I guess.
It will be. No guessing, it will be a tutorial.
It will be a tutorial. Thanks for watching. See you Friday.
Big money.
Make it rain.